Hello everyone, California Little Garden here. I want to share how I do kitchen waste compost. I use one little storage bin, then bottom I pour some hole, and then I just let it sit on my garden bed without digging up the dirt or do anything else. Basics, very simple. And every day after I cook, I just put my kitchen waste into this compost bin. What I did is I pour it in, and then I lay on a cardboard on the top of my kitchen waste, so keep it nice and dark. And then longer time, eventually I will have a free warm casting to use. And as you can see, around this compost bin, my green leaves, vegetables grow very well. These few pots of blueberry, I just moved in this location yesterday. And how I harvesting my warm casting is very easy. Is I put the kitchen waste one side each time, and then when I feel it's almost done, then I move to the other side. Then when I'm ready to harvesting, this is what I did. I open up and I just put my compost on the other side and put the cardboard, and then I leave the leaves slightly open on one side. And because the lighting and the composting will make the earthworm go to the other side, then here mostly will free out, no earthworm at all on the surface. So I can scoop up the warm casting, the compost, ready to use. It's that easy. And then next time, when that side decompose, I will change it to the other side. I just put the kitchen waste on this side, cardboard on this side, and then I scoop up the other side. Here we go. This is today's quick tip about warm casting made from kitchen waste, and very easy to do. You don't need to dig any hole from your ground, and then you do it daily. Eventually you will have very nice warm casting for your garden. Okay, I see you next time. California Little Garden. Bye for now. Bye.